So, sa wild, marami silang variation pagdating sa diet nila, but in captivity, primarily, rodents ang pinapakain sa kanila. So, by rodents, pwedeng mice, rats, hamsters, or ASF. So, primarily, rats ang pinapakain dito because they're believed to be more nutritionally complete compared to mice and higher in fat. Pero I know there are still more studies looking into this kung tama ba yun. But for today, let's just leave it at that. Next would be yung hunger strike. Usually, ito yung nakakakos talaga ng stress, especially for new keepers. So, if ayaw kumain or nag-off feeding yung alaga mo or yung tinatawag na natin na hunger strike, marami kasing possible na dahilan. And kaya nga din i-discuss ko ano yung mga possible reasons na nakakakos ng stress sa kanila. Other than stress, nakaka-apekto din yung seasonal changes natin, especially during the bare months hanggang February. Kasi usually, ito yung mga months na mas malamig sa atin, so they would refuse kumain. The key is to check and monitor their weight, and if wala namang drastic changes, hindi naman biglang nagda-drop yung weight nila, then you don't need to worry. But if you think there's something unusual or kabaha-bahala na, please be sure to bring your pet to the exotic vet. Another thing is yung excessive feeding can also lead to off-feeding. So it's also one of the common beginner mistakes kasi a proper feeding routine is necessary for proper digestion and overall health ng snake. Pagka-excessive ka magpakain, possible din silang magkaroon ng fatty liver. Parang tao lang. Ayun. Not because mabilis lumaki, ibig sabihin healthy. Madalas, pag nag-off-feed yung hatchlings is because overfed sila. And other than fatty livers, possible sila magkaroon ng issue with prolapse and impaction. Pagdating naman sa post-feed handling, you should wait at least 48 hours before handling your snake pagkatapos nilang kumain. Because if you handle them too early, possible na mag-regurgitate sila or isukan nila palabas yung kinain nila, which is actually very stressful sa kanila and risky sa health nila yon.